Hey everyone, it's Natasha TL Norman back with another video, and this time it's to quicken your workflow. A few months ago I found out that you could give your mouse or your pointer a few more options by going to Logic Pro X, Preferences, General, Editing, and click the Fade tool and Marquee tool click zones. If you X that, you can see you have a few more options. This marquee tool will help you to cut things immediately, and the fade tool will help you to fade regions really easily. So as well as that, if you press the option tool on your Mac, you can make things quicker or slower. There's so many things you can do. So this was just a quick one today, but I hope this helps you with your music making. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon.